Us on this debate this evening are my guests. We have Sanju Verma, National Spokesperson of the BJP, Abhijit Iyer Mitra, Senior Fellow IPCS, Ashutosh Mishra, Senior Journalist, Advocate Umair Junaidi, who is a political analyst. Also, we are joined by Tehseen Poonawalla, who is a political analyst. Good evening to all of you. Thank you very much for joining us here on this debate. Sanju Verma, my question to you this evening is, why are you doing this to the Congress party in Karnataka? I mean, Congress party today is in power in 3 states across the country. You're winning election after election, but you're not even allowing the Congress party to continue, ruling in the states that it has right now. I mean, this is the charge of the Congress party, that it is the BJP that's behind what's happening in Karnataka. It's the BJP that's, pushing this narrative that there is infighting in Karnataka.
हिना, हिंदी की कहावत है, ताउम्र गालिब मैं ये भूल करता रहा, धूल चेहरे पर थी और मैं आईना साफ करता रहा। तो पहले तो कांग्रेस पार्टी के मुंह पर जो धूल लगी हुई है, उन्हें वो धूल साफ करने की जरूरत है। They say that, taking cognizance of the problem is half the battle won. Unfortunately for the Congress, again and again and again, they refuse to wake up and smell the coffee. You look at the performance track record, Hina. I'll come to Karnataka in 20 seconds. Look at the performance track record of Rahul Gandhi's Congress post Lok Sabha 2024. Maharashtra won 16 seats, Jharkhand 16 seats, Jammu Kashmir only 6 seats, Delhi a big duck, Bihar only 6 seats, and Haryana 37 seats altogether in the 6 state elections post Lok Sabha 2024. Congress's grand tally is 81 seats. Lower than the 89 seats that the BJP won in Bihar alone. So the first point is, let's not compare apples with watermelons. The second point is that the Congress is facing an existential crisis, a leadership vacuum. Akhilesh Yadav has clearly said that Rahul Gandhi and his party are the Achilles heel in any alliance. Do you remember a few weeks back, Congress के बागी नेता who's left the Congress, Professor Sampat Singh, a man who's been MLA from Haryana for 6 times, he clearly said that votes कैसे मिलेंगे? सीटें तो दी जा रही थी to the highest bidder. Seats were being sold ahead of Haryana assembly elections. Then what did Ashish Dua say? Do you know who's Ashish Dua? He's the former Secretary of Maharashtra Congress in charge of Maharashtra elections.
Right.
And he said feedback is never taken. Any feedback that is given to Rahul Gandhi, एक कान से सुनकर दूसरे कान से निकाल देते हैं. And if there is one person who's responsible for the Congress being wiped out in Maharashtra, it is the Congress High Command's strategy, which is lack of a strategy to start with. And let me just end by saying, tell me honestly, Hina, मुझे तो याद आता है, नाच न जाने आंगन टेढ़ा. There is a man called Krishna Allavaru. Who was he? He was the head of Shaadi.com. आपने कृष्णा अल्लावरू को बिहार कांग्रेस का प्रभारी बना दिया. Shaadi.com के सीईओ को पॉलिटिकल स्ट्रेटजी के बारे में भला क्या पता? Tell me. And then you blame the election commission. You blame the BJP. I mean, get a life.
Okay, let me now go across to Tehseen Poonawalla as well. Tehseen Poonawalla, some important questions have been raised by BJP's Sanju Verma as well. I want to ask you, is it a case of BJP undoing the Congress or the Congress undoing itself?
Sheena, for having me on the show. Good evening to you, to all my fellow panelists. At the onset, deepest condolences to the family members of the brave pilot who we lost in the Dubai air crash. This was, we all joined this morning. There are 2 issues that the BJP is raising. Number one, the overall Congress performance. I don't know why the BJP has to introspect over Congress. But number 2, specifically about Karnataka. Now, the BJP itself in Karnataka is a divided house. We all know that. The BJP itself has too much infighting. We know that. But they are bothered about Siddaramaiah and DK Shivkumarji. So let me tell you absolutely with certainty what DK Shivkumar said is correct. He said all 140 MLAs are MLAs of the Congress. They've been elected on the hand symbol and they will do what the High Command wants. Now it is obvious that 2 positions have to be filled. People will go to Delhi. They will want to ask the High Command that they would like to be ministers, and there's nothing wrong in that if those MLAs want to be. Why are they being attributed to DK Shivkumar or Siddaramaiah? There is no problem between DK Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah. In fact, I met DK 2 weeks ago in Bangalore, and he's written a beautiful book on water dispute mechanism, how to resolve them. And the Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka inaugurated that book and launched that book. So the fact is, Siddaramaya ji is the tallest mass leader in Karnataka. DK is the most popular leader under whose leadership the Congress came to power, and they are one team. 1 + 1 is 11, and unfortunately for the BJP, they are going to get a 0 in Karnataka.
Okay.